Hey guys, this is your boy SA Random here, and today I got some Skullcandy Indy True Wise earphones. I'm going to tell you the things I hate and love about these earphones. So the things I love about these earphones is the design of the case, very sleek, very minimalist, and even the hatching system is really nice. Like it's got a nice click to it, and you can open it one-handed. I can see it's got 3 LED lights to indicate how much battery this got inside. So that's one thing I love. Another thing I love is the sound quality from these. Now they're not bad at all. I've had some other ones, I won't mention the names, but the sound quality was horrible on it. Like I did not like it at all. These ones, they got like a nice feel to it. Yes, so if I can get it out. So they got a nice sound quality to it. It's got the bass, it's got everything you need. Now I'm more of a bass person. Like I love bass with any earphones I have, honestly, and these got the right amount of bass to it. The third thing I love about these is the battery life. Now since they're in this case all the time, so the battery won't die. But even outside the case, if I leave them outside the case, they still got great battery life. So I can use these without the case for a week, maybe 5 days, and the battery life perfect before it dies. Or with the case, it lasts a lot longer. But yeah, number 3 things I love about it. So the design, the sound quality, the battery. The things I hate about it is the touch sensitivity. Now with these, they're touch sensitive, so no physical buttons. So when you put them inside the ear, sometimes you might swipe up and it would register that as the volume up, volume down, or skipping the tracks sometimes. And one time I had to like hold it like that just to put inside my ear, and it turned off on me. So yeah, so this touch sensitive bullshit is rubbish. I do not like it. I want physical buttons. I hate this touch based business. It's just too much hassle to faff around with. When you hurry, you need to go to gym or you need to do something. My second downside to these was the e-hooks. Now in my unboxing, you seen the e-hooks. Now I took them off because honestly they're the worst e-hooks ever. They didn't sting your ear properly. They kept moving around. And I have some that were like physically on there. They didn't move like e-hooks. But I think these are ear wings. I don't know what you call them, but honestly they're rubbish. They weren't worth it. I took them off and got rid of them. Literally I took them in the bin. Honestly, I'm being serious. I hated them. They're rubbish. I don't know why they thought that might be a good idea. It did not fit my ear. A whole version 2, they solved that problem, but I hated it. And my last bad thing about this is two bad things. Is taking them out. Without the e-hooks, you can't take them out because you have to grip them e-hooks and take them out. And you can see before, struggling to take them out. So yeah, I wish they make it, because the magnet on here is so strong. Literally, you can't take them out physically. You have to use a bit of force or turn it upside down and just like literally just shake it out when it comes out. So yeah, and my last gripe is when you put them in. Okay, come on. I know this video, no tripod. Like, so you have to make sure that LED is on. If that LED is not on, it's not charging. I found the hard way because, like I said, I left these for 5 days. They need to be charged. I put it in. This one charged. This one didn't, because it was not fully pressed in, and the LED light was not showing. I did not know that. So now I know. So when you put it in, this is 100 without this falling. Like so, the LED shows it's charging. If it isn't, you have to literally press it down. Then you know it's charging. If the LED do not show, it's not charging. So I wish to have a better design for this. Obviously, this is the first version they ever made of these type true wireless. I hope Indy V2 is a lot better than this. But for now, it's alright earphones. Literally alright. For the price point, you can't beat them. You cannot beat them. So hope in future Skullcandy do a better job with version 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, leave a like, comment, subscribe. I know I have not uploaded no technology video in a long time, just been gaming, but we try to upload more. Now the new phones are coming out this year, like the OnePlus, iPhone, stuff like that. So I might buy a new phone. Not too sure yet. I'll see what happens. But yeah, this has been your boy SA Random. See